Hey everybody, how's it going? My name is Ruben Paredes. You guys might know me as on Instagram as RP Images Fremont. My other setup is SanMiguelBulls. You guys will probably see more some of the standard dogs I got set up on there. I got asked a question about dogs having excessive dry skin on their nose and a lot of dry skin right on their pads. You know, in particular, we're going to focus on the French Bulldog. You know, that particular area of the nose pad, also on the beaks of birds, feathers, believe it or not, that's called keratin. You know, keratin is also on the area of your fingernails. It's a protein. And sometimes when it starts to reproduce or it starts to exacerbate, it's known as a hyperkeratosis. You know, so in order to keep that under control, you know, unfortunately, if it starts to really get out of control, it'll start to shave, it'll start to crack, and it can lead, in some extreme cases, it can lead to infection. You know, secondary type of infections. So you know, there's all types of products out in the market. You know, there's all sorts of products. You know, myself personally, I use something that's been you know, used extensively. Well, I mean, I don't know if it's been used extensively. This is what I use. You know, it's not something that's hyped, overly hyped. I don't know if there's a lot of people out there using it. I know that we use it on dry teats on cattle on the farm. I know that there's some farmers that use it on their hands a lot. It has a hydroxyquinolone in it, and it has some other ingredients. I know it has lanolin. Lanolin is used a lot to soothe skin, and it's actually it's called a bag balm, you know, and it's a hand and body. You guys can get this. Oh, there we go. You guys can get this at a relatively low price. You know, I actually just pick it up at the local Walgreens. You guys can get it at feed markets. I don't know if the like PetSmart or anything like that carry it. And you know, I'm gonna use a glove like this, you know, to put it on and just give a quick little demonstration, see if one of my dogs wants to cooperate. You know, and it's relatively inexpensive. Like, you know, I think I pay like $5. It'll last you a really good amount of time. Fortunately, not a lot of my dogs suffer from this condition. You know, sometimes it can be immune suppressed. You know, dogs that are, you know, it can be immune suppressed. It'll be, you know, something that'll keep driving it. It'll keep producing it. If that's the case, to the point that you've got, you know, something that's a little bit, that's going to be something that's going to be called for some sort of drug that's going to help to keep it under control, you know, something that's going to immune suppress your dog, so you're going to have to use some kind of corticosteroid. But in that case, you know, you can use this, and it's, you know, if you guys don't want to use a glove, I'm just using it for this particular demonstration, you know. So I'm going to see if one of my dogs wants to cooperate. Queenie, come here, girl. Come here, mama. So basically, you know, just open up the bomb, take a little bit down right here, and you want to go right over the dog's bridge nose. Don't go in the nostril, you know. You don't want to cause any uncomfort. It's very you know, it's not very in a very liquid form, so the chances of them aspirated are very diminished. But still, you know, it's a nice, you know, thick form. So come here, Queenie, come here, mama. Come here, baby. Queenie, come here, mama. Come here, baby. Come here. Let's stay back. No. So, you know, here she is. I don't know if you guys can see her. So, right here is a little bit down. Just go right over the bridge. Okay, mama. Okay. Right over the bridge. She's not really liking it. You know, once it's there, you just kind of want to, oh, she's uncomfortable. You just want to massage it in. Oh, sorry, she's not cooperating. She's not used to it. She's not very, massage it in there really quick. And that's it. She's done. It has been done. There you go. We use this big girl over here. There's still some more left on the glove right here. Same thing, you know. Just go right over the bridge. Right there, put just a little tiny dab. And then you just kind of want to massage it over. Right there. Let it emulsify. And that's it. They're done. All right, guys. I hope that was informative, and I hope that answered the question. I can't really commit. I wanted to do this every Friday or so, you know, and I get asked some great questions, and I hope this answered the question. This was Jared that asked this question, and I told you I would give you an example, and instead of just asking individual people, I'll just make one video, and hopefully that'll just cover it for everybody. You know, very inexpensive. You know, there's some out there that'll put some some other extracts in it. I don't recommend the coconut oil type of extracts. You know, this actually works really good for hands, feet, cuticles, face. It's used on cattle. You know, for the teats on cattle, it works really good on your dog's palms if they happen to have producing a lot of hyperkeratosis, or if they're just uncomfortable and such, you know, you can put it over them. And I know a lot of farmers use this a lot, just over just their skin in general, like people that, you know, go out in the cold too much and their hands are starting to abrase very much. This works very well. This has been around in existence since 1899. So you know, back balm, it's been around for a very long time, and it works excellent, guys. It's super cheap, very inexpensive, and it's just one of those tried and true remedies, you know. So hopefully this helps. Over and out, SanMiguelBulls. Take it easy, guys.